Welcome back, guys. It's 2024. It's been a while, eh? You. So, I decided to do this video because I know I've been posting on social media. I've been saying a lot of things about this song of the year long before even we had winners. Mostly this is a Phalaphala. It's given a lot of people a chance. Come on, if you look at it, it started like on the 1220 and all that. They started about asking people to submit, vote, and that. But one thing, or before I get to that, I just want to say big shout out to Mr. Saudi. To be honest, if you look on the street or if you go anywhere, mostly these days, not the Fazone, it's local music playing on radio, like every radio, every street corner, every tavern, every pub, weddings or whatever. The songs that are dominating are our local songs. So this only tells you, Mr. Claudio was way ahead of time. He had a vision that most people didn't understand, but I guess now they're catching up slowly but surely, literally catching up. Big up and salute to Mr. Claudi for the vision that he had about how we can have our music dominating the charts, dominating the street, dominating everywhere, man. It's a great thing. So we're gonna come back to the song of the year. First of all, I'm gonna look at Phalaphala. Okay, we see Uriowina Cyria. Doing this, I'm still gonna get into more details. There will be another video probably on one of our channel, Street Talk Podcast. But this one, talking about Cyria winner, and to be honest, ndikubona matamba manjinga manda. Ukosengwa achibudzwa zwote nduri ukosengwa ngela ndila ine it shows uri vhathu vava kwamba uri hey vosikomota this vakwamba vo Germany this but nichisedza zvine van'wala zvone ndi hapo ndakona kupfesesa zori ungari vosikomota na vo Germany at least vakona kutitambera kuti hazvina kuita zvine zvine vatopedza votakala mara izvi zvine Cyria kosengwa vudzona nanga zviya nduni asengwa vudzona zonga ngomu zvavudi kuti taidzwe guy. Is it because angowina Makadzi? And then why do we always have to have one artist in a dependa kayo? Why it always has to be one artist? How about these other artists? Why can't we give other artists a chance? That's the reason we can't even get far in the industry. We don't really have a lot of artists that are breaking into the industry, going national, provincial. We always remain in the villages. Because rodareronga vhathu vane chavoi ndi utodopfi ukoti odzura hunyi odzura chiduroni ndi nyena kuti odzura ko wina ndi nyena kuti odzura. Come on, Makadzi has a team, guys. She has a team ine yachingava yo pusha a certain song uri vhathu vavotere and she had a couple of songs there, but none of those people you saw them pushing or out for rwimbo urusvike when it comes to the song of the year. Because everybody assumed she's gonna win by default. Besides that, Bangokombori Rimboro winner Divi. Yes, I know the Divi. Because maybe you're not a fan. She has her own fans. You know. Can come na Rimbora Kofialo media apa. Nas Divi Rangaditoa Radianing Kaukos, not Rorimore Rokos or Ramjol Rokuzan. Now I've only listened to that song twice. Only because it was around the time MC Akobana Dingwana, that other guy. Besides that, yes, I didn't know the song. I'm not a fan. I'm just a follower Yakuza, and so I hardly listen to his music. That's why I wouldn't know most of his music. When it comes to Rodibate Cheres and Abuso Brothers and me. But what I'm trying to say in this Ori, Owina, but you are not a fan. That's why you don't even know the song if you're saying I don't know TV. And then would saying when you're come no vote na. Come on. When you have a trapper, also called Dara Usemana no Gungura. Then a balabatu para post information. Ababali was ogrimen the chin nichon of a guy ngapa ikofara. I want the Dibor topic rimini. That's the other problem we find the growth of the radio station going nowhere because what they don't get involved on certain topic. They don't engage. There's nothing about engage beside ufona kana ungwara ndinyi ngapa ndikotecheresa na mia vana ndikotecheresa na nyinyi rodzura fasi ya mufura zviguma nepo. There's nothing that is done by the listeners that you can really say they are involved. This little interaction. So uchitaka Phalaphala, guys, Cyria winner because fans also voted team your campaigner na yo pusha ngamanda to a point that led her to win. So if you feel or she doesn't deserve to win, recommend one of the votes because from the top 20 to the top 10, nyimbo njizo zione pala to show uri bateveli va wena va decades they were voting from the start. Ndiena zibona uri ojena ka top 10 these nyimbo nakwela zonzo master KG we plan mini. The fact that they didn't get there, it shows uri even though the change is not yet complete or the change have not really reached the peak, but radio hayani iyatamba mziko hayani batecheresi na bateveli va mwimbi but ikeza ende vavota zvine vazvipfesesa uri ndizvinora kutecheresa. Songofurwa ngavatu ava social media unowako varavara na mini rina vatu vane vatomuteverera Cyria rikomba vatu anenge pasi ange mashangoni anepa une vadiva vahone anepa dzidorobhoni anepa unebona. They literally follow her and literally listen to the radio. Not somebody unotecheresa radio nga mistake and then now they want to decide uriofuna but they don't even do anything. They don't even support. They're not part of anything on the radio. You're not even a listener. Mara, you expect in December you have a say, So to be honest, Cyria winner. Just medori doesn't have to buguya valiwa kana mtu achikoloni watalipa asoni. Nanga sezana bonje watu na kusema na kumebidza zote. Mtu zibona rubuguzo valiwa. Mara. Vatu ndiazvifozo kumwariwa reva nangwana watokozokotosengwa zviri azvidivi fene dzozotovhota kuti anovhota navhotera kuti nakufuna uri winene nobalo vhota ubva top 20 usvika zvino nopa the chance and still you couldn't support muthu nakufuna uri wine. So I'm just saying there's a lot of things that are happening ringadziona but it cannot really happen overnight. The problem Ramani and Yori, Winjaba Venda, they react Lamramsuna something. The comments was now one of the award. The one of the local visitors track, go to Mupushi, or to Mambi worry, hey, what, Uribako submit the award. But they don't do anything if there's nothing that they're trying to gain. This is a song of the year. The one is Tamazash, or Radioj, or Rubus, I know because you are doing nothing. And you expect maybe people who do magic. There's nothing. Richida nakazi performance kana zigig era proper na zigig. But no what you my imoro perform. But what have you done before then? Problem do ribunjia watu awana wonde waimbi. What was the radio nti? Zungaskona ze or insatisfied not. There's no one to fit about Molo who shot a mini, happen when I'm going to Molo, Nico hapo, Unes at Molazio. Nico Boris and Musica, Choice FM, Univen, Energy FM, Macado, Vuani. That is the most online engine Jibo Murima, Nico Balos and Musica on Kaz's radio, or no Sazana Phalaphala. That is what you want to go to Imbere and Chicanama and Chipupan and Sawa, Hungary, no winner award. Then we were not for 3 weeks, not almost a month. Now I was worried. Niasika 3,000 but when I'm some Ziga Hapala. But what are you doing about it? One is I say Muzika, I walk crazy. I walk come gonna alone. I work on tea. Ganda in tea in a Sazayon. So not Tazukuru in a Ravanaka, Hidaka industry. I thought the good you work, Hidaka Zomzika. Utonipo mtu ngorwambara mini unwa mini uchimbranga mini utona bonyi arabeliwa taizo yane kuimwe bete tongo jenana kazi politiki zina kota mazoni zori song of the year zinizo wazonende zori ovotiwa abewa nungo vote timu zabe wazungu azingo pusha to a point ine dzadzo expect uri dzingaluza. That's the sad part. But next year, January, let's hope we just 2000. So check out the Street Talk podcast. Ngoraro. Zvimwe zvingi tozvivona ndau yandu ne nganzina tori duka ndiswana nemwana ndo mahunguni. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Like I keep promising guys, maybe this year is going to be different. I'll have enough time to drop more videos. I'm sorry to post this as a guru as a boots. Yeah, but I'm gonna try to create more content for you guys. And if you have questions, guys, you just drop them on some of the posts on the WhatsApp or Facebook, and I'll try and create videos and respond to you guys. I've always done that. So yeah, man, I'm out of here. Big up. Doswa.